In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions and animation effects in Microsoft PowerPoint. These tools can turn a plain set of slides into a presentation that feels smooth, focused, and professional when they're used with intention. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can apply them confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. You can use an existing file or create a new one. It helps to think about the story you want your slides to tell because the transitions and animations you choose should support that flow. To add slide transitions, click the slide you want to animate and head to the Transitions tab on the ribbon. This is where you'll find effects that control how one slide moves to the next. Browse through the options and click an effect to preview it instantly on your selected slide. On the right side of the ribbon, you'll see settings you can adjust, things like duration to control the speed, optional sound, and direction if the effect supports it. Keep durations short and consistent to maintain a professional feel. If you decide one transition works well for your whole deck, click Apply to All to keep everything unified. Now let's animate objects on a slide. Select the text, image, shape, or object you want to bring to life, then go to the Animations tab. Click Add Animation and choose an effect type. Entrance effects make an object appear. Emphasis effects draw attention to something already on screen. Exit effects remove an object, and motion paths allow objects to move along a path. After you pick an effect, use the animation pane to fine-tune the sequence. This is where you can reorder animations, adjust timing, and set triggers so elements play exactly when you need them. You can also control when each animation starts. Set it to start, on click for manual control, after previous to play automatically when the prior animation finishes, or with previous to run simultaneously with something else. Adjusting duration and adding a slight delay can help stagger elements so your message builds naturally without rushing. A quick guideline: let your content lead. Use a consistent style across your presentation, keep transitions subtle, and limit the number of animated elements per slide so nothing distracts from your key points. And that's how you add transitions and effects in Microsoft PowerPoint. With a little practice, your presentations will look more polished and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching.